Today's video is all about DNN and Umbraco, the two most popular CMSs for ASP.NET development. If you are planning to create a business website using .NET, then this video is going to be very helpful. So, let's dive into the world of .NET and compare the most important aspects of DNN and Umbraco. Cloud hosting. When it comes to cloud hosting, Umbraco is slightly better than DNN. Its capability to host large content bases like several content pages and catalogs sets it apart. The whole hosting infrastructure is based on the Microsoft Azure technology stack and inherits superb security. On top of that, Umbraco's cloud hosting comes at a relatively low cost compared to DNN. So, the winner is Umbraco in this case. User experience. The user experience is likely to be a crucial factor in determining the best CMS. Of course, both DNN and Umbraco allow you to edit content, but they differ in some ways. For non-technical users, DNN is probably the right solution because of its editing experience, which allows users to edit content directly on the page. On the other hand, Umbraco has a different approach when it comes to understanding the user interface, which is geared towards users who are able to handle front-end code. In terms of user experience, the winner is DNN. Community support. Much like a car, your CMS is for life, not just for a season. Therefore, community support becomes vital for your organization's success when you have a CMS for a long time. Umbraco is led by a healthy community, with much of the support coming from designers and developers across the world. On the other hand, DNN is on its way to attracting more users and building an active community. So, the winner is Umbraco in terms of community support. Ease of use. One of the best things about DNN is its next-level usability. This CMS allows you to quickly create web pages with the help of its front-end editing capability. Unlike Umbraco, where you need to have some prior knowledge of the CMS, DNN eases content editing and viewing, allowing beginners to easily put content on their website. That's why DNN has an edge over Umbraco when it comes to usability. Analytics integration. Sometimes content editors feel fussy while posting a blog, creating a new web page, or identifying what works and what doesn't. In that case, they just want data and statistics to manage these tasks effectively. Luckily, both of the .NET CMSs allow you to add Google Analytics to your website. The only difference is that with DNN integration, users have access to an intuitive user interface, whereas Umbraco requires users to edit code on the back end of the website. So, it's a tie when it comes to analytics integration. That's it. An honest comparison between DNN and Umbraco. Does this video make your decision any easier? What's your opinion on Umbraco versus DNN? Do let us know in the comments section. And don't forget to like and share the video.